In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop emails from going to junk spam Outlook. If messages you want keep landing in junk, the fastest fix is to correct Outlook and teach it what's legitimate. I'll walk you through how to rescue a misrouted email and then prevent it from happening again by adding trusted senders. Start by opening your junk email folder and selecting a message that shouldn't be there. Take a quick glance to make sure it's truly safe. Look for a sender you recognize and a message you were expecting. When you're confident it's legitimate, right-click the message. On Outlook for the web, choose Report, then Not Junk. On the desktop app, you'll see Not Junk directly. Confirm you want to move it to your inbox. This tells Outlook it made a mistake and helps train the filter so similar messages are treated correctly in the future. If you find several good emails in junk, repeat that action for each one. Consistency helps the system learn faster. The more accurate signals you give it, the better its decisions will be over time. Next, add trusted senders so important messages bypass junk entirely. Click the Settings gear, then choose Mail. Go to Junk Email, then Safe Senders and Domains, and select Add Safe Sender. Enter the exact email address you trust, or add the whole domain like at example.com if you want every message from that organization to be allowed. Click Save to confirm. From now on, emails from that sender or domain should skip the junk folder and land in your inbox. A few tips here: adding a single email address is more precise, adding a domain is broader and useful for companies you fully trust. Double-check spelling so you don't accidentally allow a look-alike domain. If you ever change your mind, you can remove entries from safe senders in the same place. While you're in junk email settings, enable the option to trust email from your contacts. This gives legitimate people you've saved a better chance of reaching your inbox. It's a helpful layer of protection, but remember that only contacts you've added are covered. That's it. Thanks for watching.